Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix notification not working on your iPhone and iPad iOS 18. So guys, if you have updated your iPhone to iOS 18 to alpha beta and notifications are not working, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic for you to fix this issue. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply you have to open the settings. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down, then you have to tap on notifications. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply you have to scroll it down. Now from here guys, if the particular notifications are not showing, like the notifications are not showing for the messages, tap on that and just simply have to make sure that you have allowed the notification, and also make sure that you have turned off time sensitive notifications. Now guys, after that close this page. Now after that guys, open the settings again. From here you have to scroll it down. Now let me tell you that make sure that you're properly connected with internet, and after that guys, scroll it down, then tap on general. Now from here guys, tap on software update and make sure that you don't have any pending update here. If you have, just simply have to update your device, then scroll it down a bit. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, just simply have to reset the network setting and then close this page, and after that guys, open the settings again, scroll it down. Now tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. So let me tell you that if a particular notification is not showing, like WhatsApp, just simply have to tap on that and offload the WhatsApp, and then you have to restart your device, and after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.